Imagine buying an SUV and never having to worry about repairs again. No surprise breakdowns, no mechanic bills, no check engine stress. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm revealing 5 SUVs that refuse to die vehicles. So reliable, mechanics secretly hate seeing them. And they'll easily hit 300,000 miles or more without a single major repair. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which SUV you should buy once and drive forever. We're not talking about hype, marketing claims, or cars that just feel reliable. These are SUVs built with military engineering, tested to survive decades, and designed to hold their value like gold. I've broken down every detail: engines, transmissions, AWD systems, rust-proofing, and even the little components other manufacturers cut corners on. By the end, you'll know which SUV will actually outlive your expectations. Let's start with a classic, the Toyota RAV4. This isn't just reliable, it's aggressively reliable. The mechanics call it the cockroach of SUVs because it refuses to die. I've seen RAV4s running on oil that looks like chocolate pudding, with air filters clogged beyond belief, yet the engine just keeps firing. The secret? A 2.5 4-cylinder engine designed with fewer moving parts and bankfall, level transmissions that just keep going. Every component, from brake calipers to alternators, is overbuilt. And the hybrid models? Their and batteries often last 15 to 20 years. Electric motors need zero maintenance, and fuel economy makes it practically a money-printing machine. Plus, RAV4s hold 60 to 70% of their value after 5 years. It's boring, yes, but boring becomes beautiful when everything else around you is breaking down. Next up, the Subaru Forester. If the RAV4 is the dependable friend, the Forester is the one who shows up in a snowstorm at 3 a.m. and hauls your furniture without complaint. Its boxer engine sits low in the chassis for stability, naturally balances itself, and reduces wear. On components, the symmetrical AWD grips all the time waiting for traction to kick in. Overbuilt differentials, sealed CV joints, and durable transmissions mean that many Foresters hit 250,000 miles without major repairs. Safety. Subaru overengineers it with reinforced roofs and frontal impact design that literally protects you in ways other SUVs can't. Owners stay loyal because these vehicles simply never let you down. Then there's the Mitsubishi Montero, a rally-bred SUV that thrives where other vehicles fail. Designed for extreme environments, it comes with a 3.0L or 3.8 LV6, built for longevity. Fewer gears in the transmission means fewer things that can break, and the Super Select for WD system locks for apocalyptic terrain. Ladder frame construction, high ground clearance, and global parts availability make it almost impossible to kill. Even 400,000-mile vehicles still run strong. Interior may be simple, but the space is massive, and every component is utilitarian and built to last. This is the SUV you buy if you want rally toughness disguised as a family hauler. The Honda CR-V is the SUV equivalent of a golden retriever-friendly, consistent, and endlessly forgiving. Its K-Series engines run cool, clean, and nearly indestructible. Transmissions, whether CVT or older automatics, are built for durability. With fluid passages and cooling systems engineered to outlast competitors, the AWD system is simple but effective, designed to keep you moving without drama. Honda engineered this SUV for non-car people, making everything accessible and maintainable, which means even neglect doesn't kill it. Reliability meets ease of use. This is perfection in SUV form. Finally, the Hyundai Santa Fe, the ultimate underdog story. Once notorious for being cheap and unreliable, Hyundai overhauled everything. Engines are overbuilt, transmissions are engineered with Swiss watch precision, and suspensions and subframes are fortified for decades of harsh driving. Rust protection is paranoidly level, interiors are durable, and all tech features actually keep working. With a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, Hyundai proves it's not just reliable, it's confident enough to stand behind its engineering. Modern Santa Fe's routinely surpass 200,000 miles with zero major issues, delivering features, space, and reliability that rivals luxury SUVs at half the price. These 5 SUVs: Toyota RAV4, Subaru Forester, Mitsubishi Montero, Hyundai and Hyundai Santa Fe, not just vehicles, they're engineering philosophies brought to life. Buy one, maintain it properly, and it'll outlast the rest. Save you thousands in repairs, and give you peace of mind for decades. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with people who are tired of endless car payments and costly repairs. Subscribe for more honest automotive content, and comment below. Which SUV would you pick for a lifetime of reliability, or did I miss an indestructible legend? I read every comment, and your feedback shapes the next video. And remember, the best SUV is the one that's still running when everything else has been towed to the junkyard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.